kancane nje Xolisile waka grade 12C bekayo representa skolo ne province le eJozi ku debate competition. Sasuka lo nyaka Bongani Fakude waka 12C waphuma number 1 ku athletics. Representa lena sport embombela wakugijima ku stadium lesikhulu sala Mpumalanga kunetikhulu ubo MEC be sport art and culture kuna MEC wetemfundvo bambona agijima wabuya nemedal legold. Mana 12A is an embarrassment. You are not determined, you do not show the eager to learn. You do not show that you are serious about life and you want to end up as people who are important in the community. Huh? Buka nje nyala akunathishela lana ngiswanga leka 12C ngita lana kude lophethe icalculator kude lophethe textbook kude lofundza inovel kude lothulile ke at least kube khona longendi lutho mara avale umlomo avale la ladla ngako. But are you proud of yourself? Kuthini kini uma nibuka ema script after test? Uma nibuka ema report at the end of the term? You should be ashamed of yourself. Niyahluleka nilihlazo la kule skolo. Kube siyakhona sibothishela be stone transfer. Niyofunza kwetinye tikolo tala endzaweni kodwa ningabi bantwana bale sikolo lesigoba nesihlambalada. Buka nje wena. Ngikhuluma nawe wena mfana ngamndawe. I-uniform iphi? Gqoka i-shirt, angilitholi li-cream white noma linjani? Ugqoke nematele all-star. Ngibani lo wenda i-all-star yaba uniform yalesikolo? Yahleke wena mfana. Ngikhuluma nawe wena mfana kaDlamini bengikuthembile mfana wami ungihlazisile ungiphocile uyaphapha. In fact, you are the worst student we've ever had in this school. So what I'm hoping for is that people will change and put effort after this talk. Ngiyakhuluma nyalo labanye babuke phasi kude umuntu loshaya nginembeza ukuthi akhiphe i-textbook noma i-exercise book azame ke kungilutha ayibeke phezulu kwetafula enengathi uyafunza. Tick-tock. Final exams are coming. Let me go and work with students who want to learn. Bantwana baka grade 12C, the cream of the school. Ngisaya kibo ke nina ningasala.